also get 5th with Canada Coley at 206.79 with Lawson of Monroe, Price of Homewood and Lewis of Clarendon College rounding out the field. The Class 2 girls 800 final now on tap. This one from the outside, Shanika Harris of Port Antonio, Tabriel Williams of Alphonsus Davis, KEVONGAYE Fowler of Eden Allen, Kea Anderson, the Queens. There's the defending champion, Alike Reynolds of Alphonsus Davis. She has had a fabulous champs career, 5 gold medals. Here she got silver over 1500 meters. There's Tracy Ann Evans of Homewood Technical, the Class 3 400 silver medalist from last year, going 800 and 4x4 for Homewood Technical this campaign.
This one, another big one. We're talking about KEVONGAYE Fowler going for her second gold medal.
The record 2 minutes 07.74 set in 2001 by Carleen Robinson. KEVONGAYE Fowler has already gone faster than that this season. Does she go for the record, or is the aim just to win that gold medal? Before Champs 2026, KEVONGAYE Fowler had not won a Champs gold medal. She put that right in the 1500 meters, and she starts as favorite here in her favored 800 meters. Alike Reynolds, the defending champion, on the inside there from Alphonsus Davis, showing a little bit more urgency over this 800 race with Shanika Harris of Port Antonio, 5th at 400 hurdles. She's tucked in there on the outside. Dahlia Fairweather of Hydel is also in this final, and she is right up there with the leading group. So Fowler, Edwin Allen on the very inside. Then to her right, Alike Reynolds, Alphonsus Davis, the defending champion. Harris of Port Antonio is there as well. Tabriel Williams tucked in with Hydel Fairweather on the outside. Jada Fletcher of St. Jago coming through nicely as well. Kea Anderson, usually a fast finisher of the Queen's School, at the back of the pack.
64 seconds over 400 meters. And Fowler continues to lead Reynolds, but Reynolds this time around keeps closer orders because she knows she'll have a sprint finish at the end. They take with 300 meters to go. It's Fowler and Reynolds.
At this stage, it also looks like the record might be just beyond them. Like first 200 quick, they slowed it down after that. It became tactical. Now it's a battle between two ladies.
This is the closest Alike Reynolds has been to KEVONGAYE Fowler this season. Fowler has beaten Reynolds every time they have met, but Alike Reynolds is so often able to find her best at champs. Will this be though KEVONGAYE Fowler's year? They enter the straightaway. KEVONGAYE Fowler, the 1500 champion, looking for her second champs gold medal ever. So often she has started the favorite without being able to lift the gold, but this time around it will be different. KEVONGAYE Fowler is the champion again. She won't miss the record, but that matters little. Alike Reynolds gets silver, Fairweather of Hydel gets bronze. And Kea Anderson, after a very slow first 500 for the Queen's School, finishes in 4th. There's your champion.
She shakes her head. I suspect she's disappointed that she hasn't got the record, but the way she ran it doing Excel, there was no way she was going to challenge the record, cutting the pace drastically at 200 meters.
Yeah, Bruce, when I saw them go through